What's up, everybody? Shamil here, new auto glass. I'm working on Range Rover. I just gotta get my tool ready to go. So, I am in Atlanta, Georgia now. I moved here, no longer in New Jersey. If anybody looking for a glass replacement in Atlanta area, new auto glass, 404-703-1818. If you're a glass tag and you want to shoot a video together, reach out to me. We'll shoot some videos together. I want to start recording videos in Atlanta area. I did a few cool cars around here already. I work on a Lamborghini door glass. Range Rover. Did a few Teslas. Yeah, so everything's good. Gonna be working on this Range Rover. This is with the rain sensor only and a fully heated, no heads-up display, no cameras, nothing like that. And I'm gonna be using a bat. But what I do now, it's actually, I prefer it this way now. I extract the bottom on cars, and then the sides and the top, I use either bat or the spider, because the bottom there's nothing to hit, nothing to scratch, but the sides you don't want to scratch the pinch wheel, so I don't recommend using an extractor. Or especially the top. Nowadays a lot of cars come with a glass roof, you don't want to break that with the extractor, so this is awesome. An extractor on the bottom, a 1 minute thing, so quick, and then you set up the tool and you cut it. I like it. Alright, let me set this up, and I'm gonna start cutting 3 sides with the bat. Alright, so tool set up. That corner, but that corner is not all the way in. This corner, so I ain't gotta worry about the bottom since it's extracted. And let's go. This is a P8 line. Oh, I don't know what's up with these new P8 lines. They be snapping inside while it's pulling. Alright, so there is a clip here, if I remember correctly. Let's find the clip. Yeah, I can't find it. Unless this was replaced already before. Huh. Alright, I don't think there's a clip here. Let's see what happens. If it snaps, it snaps. Yep, there is a clip there. Alright, let's reset this and try it again. Alright, since the line snapped before I change it, I'm gonna try this trick. Anchor one side and just finish the whole cut. Finish the whole cut with one side. Alright, since the line snapped, I'm gonna try that trick first. I don't feel like reloading the line. We'll finish it with, try to finish it with one side. So let's put the tool over here, give it an angle, and start pulling. And I hope that anchor holds. Wow, it's cracking it right. So the clip is right here in the corner. So WRD sent me this blade. This thing is good for passing clips, because you could just shove it in there. But I can't find this clip. I didn't find a clip on the other side. Let's see if you find it on this side. Stick it in there. Stick it in there. Like that. And let's see if it helps. that one passed. So I gotta go to the top now. I'm gonna finish it with one side. This side is broken because the line is anchored in that corner. Let me flip around. Alright, I put the anchor right here, a little bit lower. Pull this line. Got a sticker right here so we can't use that all the way. We got wires, so we gotta tuck this under the wires and under the headline. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Alright, it's under the headline now. Let's go. Alright. And the last corner. I'm gonna try to jump the clip again, see what happens. I believe in P8 line. What the hell? All right. We're good. Glass is out. All right, the glass is out. So this is the old molding. So it did not have clips. This is where the clip's supposed to be. So the line got caught around this metal part here on that corner. That's why it ripped. But yeah, not a lot of room to work with here. So urethane bead has to be thin and not too high. But the pinch hole is not high. It's very thin. If you put extra, you might bleed inside on the sides, and you don't want any urethane sticking out on the Range Rover. Alright, so let's trim this down. All this and clean up and prime it. Okay, so I just cleaned and primed the pinch weld. So glass is fully heated, so it comes with 4 plugs, 2 on each side. These side panels, they do have to come off. I would recommend taking them off after you get the glass out, because there's clip right here, right there, and it could be tight to pull. Since you don't have a glass, you could take the pry tool and just pop the what's his name, clip out. So right here, see, and the P8 line, it cuts right through these wires, because you don't need these ones. You don't want to cut this wire. The wire that's on the windshield, that's the one you want to cut. Just be careful. So I gotta pull this out. Hold on, gotta pull it out. Can't do it with one hand. Here we go. So there's 4 plugs, one on top, one on the bottom, same thing over there. And then when you install it, plug them in and you're good to go. All right, let me lay this glue and set the glass. Check out this Ford F100 pickup. That thing is cool. Check out that car over there. So I already cleaned the glass. I just flipped it over. It's primed and clean. So there are the wires right here, you can see. And it's a rain sensor only. And this is a FYG glass. It's a GTY, but in the sun, it actually has the blue tint on it, because the original one comes with the blue tint. All right, let's set the glass. So we got the urethane laid down, not too much, not too high, not too thick, actually very thin. So there where I connected the bead. All right, I'm going to be setting this with Little Buddy. I'm set this with little buddy. Alright, here we go. Glass is set. And it does have a blue tint on it. So now I gotta plug these in, clean it up. See? Gotta be careful, you don't want the glue spill. Nice and clean. Let's see what it looks like inside. Yeah. So wires over there, gotta go back in. Wires over here, all good. I'm in Georgia, still got my New Jersey plates. And that's it, plug that in. And that's it, guys. So that's Range Rover. Expensive glass, not complicated. Few things you gotta worry about. The wires, make sure you don't forget about the wires. That's it. Take the side panels off. Not too much glue. Watch out how much you put. You don't want to put too much or you might spill. It's not gonna look right. It's gonna look ugly. It's an expensive truck. So thank you for watching. And any glass guys out there, if you guys want to shoot the video, please reach out to me. New Order Glass on Instagram, and we could shoot some videos together. I do want to start shooting more videos in Atlanta area. Thank you guys, and have a good day.